So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be unboxing the all new Realme Buds Wireless Pro. So without wasting any time, let's first take a box look. So on left and the right side of the box we have got Realme branding, and at the back of the box we have got some of its main highlights, such as it can cancel out noise up to 35 decibels, has a Sony LDAC high-res audio support, 22 hours playback, instant magnetic connect, transparency mode, 13 mm bass boost drivers, 5-minute charge for 100 playback, and super low latency. It also works with Realme Link app. So let's unbox it. By the way guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as click the bell icon to get notified when I put a new video up. And as always, best buy link is in the description, so check it out. So let me first tear the outer transparent packing first, and then I will show you what's inside the box. So the inner box slides out like this. Very nice product presentation by Realme. So on the top of the box we have got a translucent leaflet which tells some of its key features. You can pause and read it. Before checking out the neckband, let's check what other accessories we have got in the box. So the inner box opens up like this, and inside this box we have got a small box, and let's check what's inside. So inside this box we have got an instruction manual, a packet of ear tips, and a USB to Type-C charging cable. I love the color of the charging cable. So now let's finally check out the neckband. To pair the earbuds for the first time, we have to stick and unstick the earbuds, and a pop-up notification of Google will come asking for pairing. So I will click allow and it will pair automatically. So the neckband is now successfully connected, and let's check in the Realme Link app. So as you can see, it is showing connected. So now let's talk about the physical overview and build quality of the neckband. So the top of the neckband is made up of flexible rubber. Coming to the left console has a Realme branding which is barely visible. And on the right console we have the main function buttons, such as a volume up button, a multifunction button, a volume down button, and has a noise cancelling button. Both left and right console have a metal enclosure. So the neckband is very flexible, as you can see. You can twist and bend it any way. Coming to the connecting wires have a grippy feeling to it and feels sturdy. Coming to the earbuds are magnetic, so whenever you pull off the earbuds, they will automatically connect with the smartphone. The back of the earbud is made up of metal and has a CD-like pattern. And the rest body of the earbuds is made up of polycarbonate. The in-ear portion of the earbuds is having a glossy finish, while the rest body has a matte finish. So now let's talk about the app compatibility. So now I am disconnecting the earbuds, and they will connect automatically with the phone. Blue light indicates that it is connected. The noise cancelling has 3 modes. The first one is the transparency mode, in which you can hear enhanced background noises. The second one is the normal, in which you can hear slight background noises. And the third one is the noise cancelling mode, in which you cannot hear any sound which is below 35 decibels. It also has 3 more features, such as it has a game mode, has a bass booster plus mode, and has a volume enhancer. You can customize the buttons according to your choice in the Realme Link app. From here you can also update the firmware. You can enable or disable the LDAC support in the Bluetooth settings. Now let's come to the charging and playback time. So to charge the neckband, we have a flap under the right console, and a 20-minute charge can last you around 3 or 4 hours of continuous usage. It charges around 1.5 to 2 hours. Under my testing, I was getting around 14 hours of battery life with ANC turned on. Now let's check the sound quality.
तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? एक कहानी है जो सबको सुनानी है, जलने वालों की तो रूह भी जलानी है। एक कहानी है जो सबको सुनानी है, इनकी भूख भी तो मैंने ही मिटानी है। इनको क्या पता मैंने करी कितनी मेहनत, सारी बातों से था मैं पूरा सहमत। सारी जिंदगी इन्होंने मुझको रुलाया, इनको भी तो मिला था जो मैंने कमाया। रोते रोते भी इनका धंधा मैंने चलाया, फिर भी इन्होंने सारा धंधा मेरा खाया। ये सारी इनकी माया, इनका ही खाना साया। वीडियो
So the sound quality was excellent, the bass was very punchy, the treble was also good, the mids and highs were also very clear, the lows were also very detailed. The sound quality is excellent. So guys, this was the video. Make sure to give it a like and comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.